The Hormuz Trap and why the world should pay a price. Well, it's quiet now, but the tension is building under the surface. The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow waterway, is one of the most important trade routes in the whole world. A single spark over there could send shockwaves across the planet. Right now, it is Iran versus America. On paper, it looks clear. You're watching Times XP. My name is Vriti Atri. Well, the US has the strongest militaries in the world. Iran ranks 16th. Numbers alone, not enough to tell the story here. Let's break this down. Let's talk about the number game first. Iran has around 610,000 active soldiers and 350,000 in reserve. America, over 1.3 million active troops and 800,000 in reserves. Iran spends about $15.5 billion on defense a year. The US, $895 billion. Tanks, armored vehicles, fighter jets, bombers, drones. The US has it all. Iran is in a very controversial category, by the way. 13,000 aircraft versus 551 of Iran. 392,000 armored vehicles versus 6,600 of Iran. Well, the gap is massive here. But Iran has a trump card. At the sea, Iran's speedboats and submarines lurk in the Persian Gulf. The Strait of Hormuz is very narrow, basically a perfect trap for them. A handful of small, fast vessels can disrupt oil shipments that the world depends upon. Even the threat is enough to make the global oil prices skyrocket overnight. Let me tell you the reality of the war here. Military power on paper doesn't equal an easy victory. America has fewer troops in that particular region than before. Many are redeployed to Venezuela. Destroying Iran's missile system would take a massive strike for the US. And even then, Iran can retaliate. Ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, oil facilities, shipping lanes, American bases. Every strike carries a price here. And Iran knows that it has nothing to lose if survival is at stake. Then there is escalation trap as well. Strike too small and then Iran will hit back really hard. Strike too big and the world sees America as reckless and chaos spread across the Middle East. Basically, any move could really ignite a regional war. Wait, this is not a theory. History proves it. Iran has disrupted the shipping before. Even the threat of action forces longer, costlier trade route. Saudi, Kuwait, and Gulf oil export can all be affected here. The world economy could be shaken. Let me tell you why this matters to you, no matter where you are sitting and watching this video. This is not just about America or Iran. Oil prices, trade, global market, energy security, your daily life could feel the consequences here. From gas prices to supply shortage. So in the end, yes, the US is stronger and yes, Iran would lose a conventional war here, but strength does not guarantee victory. Geography, strategy, willingness to fight, ability to cause pain, these matters as much as a raw power. A single miscalculation in Strait of Hormuz, it could send shockwaves across the entire world.